Your next smartphone might not fit in your pocket. It could sit on your face, finger, and wrist, or even read your brain. These 12 AI wearables aren't just futuristic concepts, they're changing how we see, think, work, and communicate forever. Watch until number 1. Number 12. TapXR Wrist Keyboard. Typing on the keyboard could soon feel as outdated as a rotary phone. The TapXR Wrist Keyboard lets you type without a physical keyboard. Just tap your fingers on any surface or even in midair. It's lightweight and wearable, connects wirelessly to any smartphone, tablet, computer, and AR glasses, and can transform nearly any space into your workspace. In addition to typing, the integrated gesture controls allow you to operate applications, gesture digital objects, and interact with virtual environments in a natural way. Lightweight enough to wear for a day, powerful enough to redefine mobile productivity, proving that the future of computing might not require a keyboard at all. Number 11. Neurable MW75. Imagine headphones that know when your brain is getting tired. The Neurable MW75 is the integration of the highest quality wireless audio and inbuilt EEG sensors that keep a constant eye on your concentration and brain fatigue. Rather than learning through experience, it leverages AI to determine the ideal time to rest or immerse yourself in focused work tasks. It was created using master and dynamic and offers excellent sound quality, ANC, rich fabrics, and user-friendly controls. These headphones aren't just entertainment, they're a personal productivity coach, so you can function with greater efficiency throughout the day by safeguarding your brain. Number 10. Emotiv Insight. What if your thoughts became the next way to control technology? What if your mind became the controller? The Emotiv Insight makes that future feel closer than ever. This research-grade EEG headset reads brain activity in real time using 5 advanced sensors. It monitors focus, stress, excitement, engagement, and relaxation. Its lightweight wireless design is ready to use in just a few minutes. It sends real-time brainwave feedback to PCs, Macs, iPads, and more. Perfect for research on the nervous system, neurofeedback, and brain-computer interfaces. A fascinating glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. Number 9. Samsung Galaxy Ring 2. Small size, big potential. The rumored Samsung Galaxy Ring may shed new light on smart wearables. To use next-generation solid-state battery technology, they could end up with longer battery life and an even slimmer package. Charging speed is also anticipated to be faster and durability to be better as well. Advanced sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, fitness insights, and Galaxy AI work together to monitor your health around the clock. No constant tapping, no distractions. Just wear it and forget it's there. Unlike bulky smartwatches, it stays almost invisible on your finger. If the rumors are accurate, the Galaxy Ring 2 could make health tracking smarter, simpler, and more effortless than ever. Number 8. Withings BeamO. Doctor visits may never feel quite the same. The Withings BeamO is a single, AI-driven health tool integrating 4 core medical instruments. It performs ECG readings, measures blood oxygen, and checks body temperature. It even can work as digital stethoscope, so it allows heart and lung sounds to be shared remotely with healthcare professionals. All readings are synced automatically with the Withings app, creating a comprehensive health profile for early detection and telemedicine. Instead of juggling multiple devices, BeamO puts a connected health checkup in your pocket, making advanced medical monitoring far more accessible at home. Number 7. Limitless Pendant. Forget taking notes forever. The Limitless Pendant quietly listens, remembers, and organizes your conversations so you never lose another important idea. You can wear it around your neck or can clip it to your clothing. It automatically records and transcribes meetings as they happen. Search past conversations or recall important details with a single tap. Its 100-hour battery keeps it running for many days. Its lightweight and weather-resistant design makes it to wear everywhere. Rather than replacing your memory, the pendant becomes a second brain that keeps every conversation organized and instantly searchable whenever you need it. Number 6. Omi AI Clip. Memory has finally become searchable. The Omi Clip captures conversations automatically. It transcribes speech in 25+ languages with speaker identification. Every conversation becomes organized notes, searchable summaries, and actionable tasks. Skip the endless scrolling. Just ask Omi. Its AI instantly finds the information you need. It even creates visual brain maps that connect your ideas. It integrates with thousands of apps for seamless workflow. Even if you're offline, it keeps recordings and syncs everything later automatically. More than a voice recorder, Omi acts like a personal AI secretary that remembers everything so you don't have to. Number 5. Brilliant Labs Frame Halo. They appear just like ordinary eyeglasses when viewed at first glance. Hidden inside is an amazing AI computer. The Brilliant Labs Frame Halo projects digital information directly into your field of view with a micro OLED display. Its onboard AI handles visual recognition, voice command, and augmented reality tasks in real time. Bone conduction speakers, a motion sensor, and an open-sourced platform allow new experiences to be created. Unlike closed ecosystems, Frame Halo encourages experimentation, making it one of the most exciting AI wearables for creators who want to shape the future of smart glasses instead of simply using them. Number 4. FRENZ Brainband. This wearable not only monitors sleep, but it knows your brain. The FRENZ Brainband consists of EEG sensors and eye tracking along with facial muscle monitoring to see your brain in real time. Its AI delivers personalized audio through bone conduction speakers. It is designed to improve focus, reduce stress, deepen sleep, and guide meditation. It can even wake you at the ideal point in your sleep cycle, so helping you to start the day feeling more refreshed. Instead of forcing routines, it easily adapts to your brain, turning AI into a personal wellness coach you can wear. Number 3. AI Wearable. Imagine an AI companion that remembers everything important. Be quietly listens, with your permission. It is able to capture conversations, organize ideas, create reminders, and also can build to-do list automatically. It supports 50+ languages, intelligently filters background noise, and lasts up to a week on a single charge. Spend less time reaching for your phone. Just stay present while Be remembers the important details for you. Number 2. Apple Vision Pro. Apple isn't just building another headset. It's reimagining personal computing. The Vision Pro replaces traditional screens with floating digital workspaces. Control everything using your eyes, hands, and voice. Ultra-high-resolution displays make digital content feel incredibly real. Spatial apps and immersive entertainment surround you from every angle. Intelligent multitasking lets multiple apps exist naturally in your space. Edit documents. Watch movies. Collaborate remotely. Explore interactive 3D content. Everything happens around you, not on a screen. The Vision Pro offers one of the clearest glimpses yet of a future where wearable computing could replace the devices we've carried for decades. Number 1. Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses. The future of smartphones might already be on your face. Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses look like ordinary sunglasses, but inside, they pack a camera, open-ear speakers, microphones, and Meta AI. Just say, "Hey Meta." Ask questions, translate text, identify landmarks, capture photos, record videos, make calls, stream live, or get directions. All without reaching for your phone. Unlike futuristic concepts, these glasses are available today. A powerful glimpse into a future where the smartest device you own is the one you wear. If you enjoyed this amazing countdown, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.